Tired trimmers, toss 'em. Nah, fix 'em. Don't let wear and tear fool you. Before you toss it, consider giving it a second chance. Regular maintenance can extend its life. With a bit of guidance, you'll tackle it yourself. You'll be back to trimming in no time. Don't forget to subscribe DIY Mum for more tips and tricks. Welcome to DIY Mums, empowering women to repair and fix their equipment. Breaking stereotypes, women can handle any DIY project with confidence. Step-by-step tutorials, expert tips and motivational stories. Fixing a trimmer, rewiring a lamp or complex repairs. Grab your tools and let's get started together. Like, comment, share and subscribe to DIY Mums. Let's show the world what we can do together. Gather your Gear Wire Warrior essentials. Round up your tools and parts. Here's what you'll need: screwdriver, wire strippers, cutters, gloves and safety glasses. Replacement trimmer line. Rewiring Revelations, a step-by-step saga. Welcome to this guide where we will walk you through rewiring your grass trimmer. Preparation is key. Ensure you have all necessary tools and equipment laid out before starting. Step 1. Unplug it. Always ensure your trimmer is unplugged before any maintenance. Safety first. Step 2. Open sesame. Access the spool by removing the cover. Step 3. Spool swap. Remove the old spool and line. Step 4. Line it up. Install the new trimmer line. Step 5. Button it up. Reassemble your trimmer. Step 6. Plug it in, carefully. Time for a test run. Admire your handiwork. Enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. Trimmer tune-up. Tips from a DIY guru. Maintaining your tools is key to a beautiful garden. Don't overwind. Too much line can cause jams and affect performance. Cut it short. A little trim makes a big difference. Keep it clean. Remove grass and debris after each use. It'll run smoother and last longer. Happy gardening! There you have it! You've rewired your grass trimmer, saved a trip and some bucks. Serious bragging rights? Pat yourself on the back. Safety first, saving second. A word to the wise. Always unplug your trimmer, wear eye protection. Better to be safe. Other easy fix-it feats. Check the lawnmower spark plug, replace the faucet washer. Tons of simple repairs await. Green and lean DIY for a healthier planet. Do your part for the planet. Like, comment, share and subscribe.